Can almond oil make your hair grow? Almond oil is great for the skin and hair. It has the highest content of natural vitamin E and is rich in fatty acids, proteins and antioxidants, along with magnesium, which reduces hair breakage and helps it grow. It is recommended not only for application on your hair and skin but also for consumption for those with dry skin and hair. Advantages of almond oil for hair. It not only moisturizes but also seals in the moisture and protects against hair loss and breakage. It is one of the best oils for fast hair growth. Almond oil is best for those with dry, damaged and dull hair and for those who lack omega-3 fatty acids in their bodies. If you have hair loss issues, this oil is apt for you. How to use almond oil for hair growth. You can use this oil straight out of the bottle and apply directly to your hair and scalp. Alternatively, you can also warm it before use. Leave it overnight and wash it off with a nourishing shampoo the next morning. On some days, you can use a few drops on your hair after you wash off your conditioner and towel dry your hair. Leave it on so it seals in the moisture and makes the hair lustrous. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.